This is the blood of the virgin. Drink! 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 PuffOut!
Savior thinks he can bring me down.
What are you talking about?
He thinks he can kill my two servants and go scot-free.
Look, I don't know what is going on between you and the sufficient, okay? This is a serious case, and I need to go and help him. Please, I need your help.
How do you expect me to save my own enemy?
He may be your enemy, okay? But I don't know about that. The so-called ALSA native doctor hold him captive, and he needs my help. Please, help me.
What will be my gain if I help you?
Papa, are you sure you can do this?
Okay, I will help you.
Look, you can kill the body, but you cannot kill the soul and the spirit. You come the war to save the soul. Save the soul. Now we don't get you. Save yourself now. Save yourself now. Eh? Quoi for? What's that for? Let you know for street. What if bad? Today, we got to do what? Jaga, we got kill.
Ah, you this man! You just say you strong, but today you don't enter hand. You go no say, now we get this place.
Ah, Pagwalongawa. You put on a street, you could see you go there, so one only had on a street. You might put no benign, Megasi, no Bugasi. Ah, you may give an man with one apple. Who be this man? What's up with this man?
Yo! Get him! He's a...
Hey!
Don't touch him.
Who be this man?
Who give this one power?
I said, don't touch him.
Who give you power? Who give you power?
Listen and listen very careful. If you know what is good for you, go away now or you go in pieces.
Stop! Nobody! No power! Now maybe I listen about one!
You kept me waiting. What took you so long? I'm sorry. Force is on the way. But I'm here now. Thank you for saving me and my friend.
It is time.
Time for what?
Time for revenge.
Papaya, you really amazed me. You really did wonderful by saving me from the hands of those idiots, those boy shop noise makers, those animals. Mururuazu, they're making noise. But I'm still like kind of surprised. How did you do that? But I believe I've never given you such ointment. I was not the one who did it. Are you kidding me? How do you mean you're the one that did it? But you were the one I saw. Yes, you saw me there physically. What she did. Who is she? The daughter of his wife. She was using me to fight them. The daughter of his wife? Yes, she saved you. She was inside me working. She was the one that saved you there and not me. Quiet! Shut. I'm disappointed in you. I'm disappointed. I'm very much disappointed in you, Papaya. I had no choice. You were held captive there. And you say the native doctor is not mortal. I needed more power to come and save you from the hand of that evil man. And you say, you know he's not immortal. He's not immortal. You're an idiot. You're a fool. I confided in you. I gave you the best of my power. I gave you the best of my knowledge. Get the best of my wisdom to fight and conquer your enemies, to remain safe. How did I ask for more powers when you were held captive? I needed more powers. I went to her and she gave me power to save you. She was inside me working. She saved you and not me. I've already seen you. I've already known you all before I walked up to you. But the mission was just to save you and nothing else. But mommy for my mebo, yes, she gave me the powers. But it wasn't intentional. I was on my way when I saw her. But I had no choice. She blocked my way. I had to ask her for power. And she did. She was inside me. She saved you. You stand yourself. Quiet! Quiet! When I speak, do not speak. When I speak, do not interrupt me. If I squeeze you, if I deal with you, you did that to save me. That kind of service I do not need in my savings account. So get out of my sight. Leave at once. Don't come close to me. I'm Modogu. I know Dogu na some Peter. I need to go Peter. Get away! Move! I am disappointed in you, Papaya. After all I gave you, the best of me, the best of my knowledge, wisdom. I told you, buy wisdom, but do not sell it. Some Peter. Let me tell you. Go! I'm disappointed in you! I'm disappointed in you! You died. Why are you with my enemies? I'm disappointed in you. You mean Zumba! Zumba the cacos! Me Zumba! Bubodogu! Allah do good as some Peter!